The next site is the L&L mine, site number EC0166. This site was also thought to be part of the 64 mine and was identified that way on the videotape segment.
July 14th, 1999, and we are looking into the shaft of the 64 mine, which is in Dixie Gulch on the Dixie 7.5 minute quadrangle. This is one of those ones that I get a little concerned about. Based on the waste pile that's out here, this is there's got to be more material came out of this hole than meets the eye, and I would not, for one, would not want to be zipping down into the bottom of this thing. It is closed, but I would be very concerned about this. This is one of these ones that needs to have a good look at as far as the possibility of having something done to it. If you take a look at the dump, now we're turning pretty much to the north. You can see the blue ribbons of our predecessors there. This is the waste dump that came out from it. You come across the pit and there's more waste dump. Goes down across this structure right here, which is probably was the hoist works, a cabin over the hoist works. And then down to, and there's an old ore loading bin. You can see those logs down there at the end of that waste pile. So pretty good sized waste pile. Another little pile, just this would be almost due east of the shaft. And then if we walk down towards where the road comes into this property, we can see there's another pretty good sized hole in here. Again, it would not normally be of concern to me, except for the fact that this one and the little one next to it sit right along that road, and this is a snowmobile route in here through for the winter. So from that end, I'd be a little bit concerned about this hole right along the road here. Back off a little bit here, we're looking around here. Here again, you can see the snowmobile route marker on it with that shaft sitting over there. Okay, there's the dump that goes to the north, across the shaft, to the hoist house, and out to the dump on the other side and down to the ore bin. We'll go over now and take a look at the ore bin. Yeah, it's used an ore bin, all right. You can see the chutes down there where they loaded her out onto something or other, and the timbers from it. And then right behind it, that would be the end of that waste dump that we said came down to the south of the pit. And a few poles and stuff down here. Everything up here is completely dry, and we're going to walk down the road. There's a whole bunch of pits and little small pits and so on down the road, one of which has poles around it like at the Juanita mine. We'll walk down there and get some video of that, but outside of that, that'll pretty much do it for this property. Did miss, notice the kind of unique set of poles that they had on there as a roof or a slide perhaps. I don't know what exactly it was, maybe a roof on the top. That's kind of the defining signature, I think, for this ore bin.